Do you want to grab your share of a $50 billion fortune? Imagine being part of the modern-day gold rush and winning big time. Well, now you can with NFT Generator. You see, NFTs are the hottest product on the market right now. With celebrity backers, insane demand, and an enormous untapped market share. The NFT market is already worth $35 billion in 2022, and that figure is predicted to rise to an eye-watering $50 billion in the next 12 months. NFTs have created overnight millionaires from people of lowly beginnings. Take, for example, the 22-year-old Indonesian student who became a millionaire from selling his selfies as NFTs, or the co-founders of the blockchain startup OpenSea, who have become the world's first NFT billionaires. These are just two examples of people who are winning big with NFTs. And now it's your turn, thanks to the NFT Generator. You see, although NFTs are a modern-day goldmine, creating and selling them has always been difficult. You have to create the NFTs. You need investing knowledge and coding skills. You need to write contracts for your NFTs. You need to mint your NFTs to sell on the blockchain. And you need a commercial license to sell your NFTs. That's a lot of work, right? Well, with NFT Generator, you get all of this included. That's right. NFT Generator does all the work for you and lets you create money-spinning NFTs in 3 easy ways. You don't need any coding skills or knowledge about investing or crypto. NFT Generator creates smart contracts for your NFTs instantly, so they're 100% verifiable as your property. You get a premium minter, which lets you publish your NFTs on the blockchain with ease. You even get a commercial license, so you can sell your NFTs for mind-boggling profits and become the next NFT success story that everyone is talking about. NFT Generator has already helped hundreds of our clients enjoy outrageous financial success. Success that they'd only ever dreamed of before. But that's now an everyday reality, thanks to NFT Generator. With NFT Generator, you're only ever 3 steps away from making incredible sales through NFTs. Step 1. Log into your easy-to-use cloud-based NFT Generator account. Step 2. Use our drag-and-drop editor and huge range of templates to create your very own, unique, and in-demand NFT. Step 3. Publish your NFT straight to the world's biggest NFT marketplace, where you can sell it for incredible profits. NFTs have been selling for millions of dollars, with the most expensive NFT selling for an incredible $69 million. Imagine what your life would look like if you became the next NFT sensation. And with NFT Generator, it's never been easier. So what are you waiting for? Join NFT Generator today and start grabbing your share of the $50 billion fortune by clicking the button below.